how to find group name settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find group name settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just click to your group and then click here, click on it and then click these 3 points in the top corner, and here you will find change subject. uh, Select it, and then as you see here you can change group name, you can change it to anything you want and then click OK. And that's how to find the group name settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.